Hello kids, welcome to Team Power. Today I'm going to explain how to work on this activity. So according to the community we already chose in the last activity, you are going to click on the corresponding circle of the community you chose. So imagine that you chose the restaurant, so you click on here and you are going to find a Jamboard. It is necessary to have a Gmail account open and you find the community that you are in. For example, the airport. What is the idea? Here you are going to find 4 roles: pilot, security officer, passenger, or flight attendant. You are going to choose what role you want to perform in the final role play, so you can choose one of those notes and write your full name. So look at the example. You can change the color if you like, and you give save. There, you are going to find a new post-it appear there. So you put next to the role that you would like to do. So if you like to be the flight attendant, it should be here. So what happens if I like to be at the airport, but the flight attendant is already in use? So what you do is, again, choose the post-it here with the color that you prefer, and write your name. Hit save. Write your name on a different role. Okay? It's not possible to repeat the roles. So be careful that everyone has a different role, and then you are going to perform the role that you are assigned. That is all. Thank you. See you there.